We've talked about technology, we've talked about process, design, technical challenges. Once you make the commitment to additive, is there a personnel challenge with that too? Is there a skills and or mindset and or talent type issue that goes with that? Like if that, I'd like anybody to speak to that who has a thought there.
I'll jump on that real quick. I look at manufacturing as kind of like a unit. Just manufacturing in general. I think I'm a veteran myself, but I do see a lot of similarities between manufacturing and the military. The reason I bring that up is because what I'm seeing in additive manufacturing now is more discipline for production, and kind of to the point before of using external suppliers or internaling it. I think a lot of companies and OEMs are internalizing some of their builds because you can't trust that supplier base. But you're starting to see maturity, and with maturity comes experience, and with experience comes discipline. And as you start to see the discipline, you start to see the workforce come out. We have millennials. Everyone talks about it. I don't really see it as long as they're given the proper guidelines to deliver, and you're timing them, and you're making sure everything's staying on a schedule. It's a totally different beast from what we've known for 50 years when it comes to our scheduling and product and shipping and vendors. And it's about developing that vendor network, even for us, and going and educating them and saying, this is what to expect and this is what we expect back from you, and this is what's going to happen, and here are the challenges. So developing that whole ecosystem comes with the personalities, understanding it. They say every company needs a company dick, the guy that's going to be going around and just, bouncing on the table and telling everyone what to do and where to be. And excuse my language, sorry. I apologize. Sorry, Pete, my bad. So anyways, back on point, you got to have that personnel that's going to go around and keep everyone on point, and we're starting to see that, and we needed that as well. I mean, we were, back in the day, it was two guys in a garage bouncing around with headphones in, whipping out parts to some of our local customers, and it's not that case anymore. We had to change ourselves, the way we looked at the industry, the way we wanted to be presented to our customers, and then we just needed to recognize that we didn't know what we didn't know, and we needed to bring in the proper type of board that had 30 plus years of manufacturing experience to show us how to take new technology in a new industry and apply the disciplines of traditional manufacturing to make it work, and to make it work like American manufacturing should, and that's with excellence and quality. So it's kind of a personnel of new age, old school way of doing things and combining it all together. And if one of my board members was here, he'd be really happy I'm talking about this right now.